Alright guys, so we're going to be doing our UPR 3.7 liter Cyclone catch can right now. So you see it's got 3 fittings, 1, 2, and 3. On these fittings, there's some basically thread sealer. You want to make sure that's on there, and these are just hand put in right now. We're going to get the wrench next and then tighten them down. Alright guys, so I got this tightened down. Super simple, literally just took a crescent wrench and tightened them down until they felt pretty tight and both were aimed the same way. The bottom one is just a check valve to be able to drain it. So that way we don't have to pull it out or anything. Okay guys, next step, literally just taking these 2 hoses and I'm just pushing on the new the hose ends, right? They're just push on. So I'm probably gonna get, I don't have any right now, but I'm probably gonna go get some hose clamps to put on them. Not that it needs it right now, but when we go boost, I'm gonna want them on there. So we'll get hose clamps to go on there. And the other ends are just blank because they push directly on to the catch can itself. So this is where the catch can is gonna go, guys. So these are simple, just push the tab down and then you can pull it off. And then push the tab down on the bottom and pull it off. Mine just pulled off. So we'll set that aside. These are the same way, and we're literally just going to push them on over like that. And then it's down here. The straight one's gonna go on the bottom. All right guys, so we went ahead and mounted it here. Literally it's just a 10mm wrench, and we did it on the front ground. Pulled the bolt that was in there out, which is that one, and used the UPR supplied bolt to tap it in. So this one is literally gonna go on there, and this other one needs to bend and go down there. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna twist that one further down, and then I'm gonna put this one on, and if need to, I'm gonna shorten them up a little bit. All right guys, so here's our final product. I went ahead and moved it to the back bolt. That gave me more room to put those in. I put that one on first because this one's pretty easy. Just making sure that they're actually clipped all the way in, and then you're good to go. The last thing, you just gotta make sure that your ball valve is closed. Otherwise, you're just gonna leak oil everywhere. So that's all it takes to actually do this install. Super, super simple. You literally need a 10mm and a crescent wrench, and that's it. So you guys can get this at the link below at automafiaracing.com.